In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an A/B test in Unbounce. If you're looking to improve conversions without guessing, this process will help you compare different versions of a landing page and learn what actually works with your audience. Start by heading to your Unbounce dashboard. Click the landing page you want to test. That opens the Page Overview, which is the control room for your page. Here you can see your current variant, traffic mode, and any variants you create for testing. Next, switch the page traffic mode from Standard Mode to A/B Test Mode. Standard Mode sends all traffic to a single page variant. A/B Test Mode lets you split traffic across multiple versions so you can measure performance side by side. Think of it as turning on the experiment switch for this page. Now it's time to create your test variants. You can duplicate your existing page, the champion, or build a new one. To duplicate, open the three dots menu next to your current variant and choose Duplicate. This is great when you want to tweak just one element and keep everything else identical. If you prefer to start fresh, click Add Variant at the bottom of the list to create one from scratch or from a template. Give each variant a clear name so it's easy to track what you changed. Open each variant in the builder, Classic or Smart, to make your edits. Focus on the specific element tied to your hypothesis: a new headline, a different hero image, a contrasting call to action button, a simplified layout, or adjusted copy. Aim to test one major change per variant so you can attribute results to that change. Keep the rest of the page consistent and double-check the mobile view to ensure your edits look good on smaller screens. Back in the page overview, set your traffic weights. Assign what percentage of visitors should see each variant. For two variants, a 50-50 split is a straightforward starting point. If you're testing 3 or more, make sure the weights add up to 100%. Balanced allocation helps variants collect data at a similar pace, while skewed splits can be useful if you want to limit risk on a bold new idea. That's the setup. You've selected the page, enabled A/B test mode, created your variants, made focused edits, and set traffic weights. As traffic comes in, you'll be able to compare results and learn which version performs best. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.